Hi guys, here 4 power 3 is 64 divided by 8 plus 6 times 5 minus 3 in bracket minus 1. Here this 64 divided by 8 is 8 plus 6 times 5 minus 3 in bracket minus 1. Here 8 plus 6 is 14 times 5 minus 3 in bracket minus 1. Here 14 times 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 1. Here 14 times 2 is 28 minus 1 is 27 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 27 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 4 to the power of 3 divided by 8 plus 6 times. Here 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 1. The next priority is exponent here. We have exponent here 4 to the power of 3. Here 4 to the power of 3 is 64 divided by 8 plus 6 times 2 minus 1. Here we have division, addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. We have to do this first and second this. So 64 divided by 8 is 8 plus 6 times 2 minus 1. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 8 plus 6 times 2 is 12 minus 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Here addition and subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is 20 minus this 1. Here 20 minus 1 is 19 is the correct answer.